Hello, Ford guy here. We're getting ready to move some cars around. I want to show you. We're going to start the Galaxie. There we go. We'll start the Galaxie, do a cold start on it. So let's go over and see. Get the light on because getting ready to move some cars to the new shop. Let's see if she'll start. We can get her to start. We got to move this one first. The 68. Maybe not.
Try it.
Hold on one second.
Hang on.
Okay, cold start on the 68. Go ahead, start it up. Bumper. She's cold. Stop. Pump the shit out of it. There's gas in it. Oh, she's trying to start. She hasn't been starting in a long time.
I put gas in.
Keep pumping. Maybe not. Let's see.
Yeah, there's gas in it.
Pump her. Pump the shit right out of it. Go ahead. Stop. Pump her.
Pump it again.
She's cold. She's been sitting a while. Yep. There she goes. Ooh, see that nice flame in there?
That was beautiful. Do it again.
Go ahead. Do it again. Pump it. Go ahead. There she goes. Cold start for you on the 68. Now he's going to move it. There she is. It's a little dark out.
Watch this.
Yeah. Keep her warm up. She's alive. Get some of the old cars in there. Gotta move some of the old cars over to the new shop. That's the way she sounds. Rub it up, warm it up. Rub it up a little. Rub it up a little. Start it up. Pump the gas. Ah, man. Pump it. Hold on. Pump the shit out of it. There we go. They got younger kids gotta learn how to start a car. Use that fuel injection. Gotta leave her warm up. Quick rock around, show you how she looks. Like I said, it's nighttime. We got a little bit behind on everything. Got the hood off this one. We'll be doing the body work on this one too. So, got the grill all off. We're doing. Gotta leave it warm up, of course, but it's hard to see at night, but there she is. So, this is YouTube guy saying like, subscribe, share, and there'll be more videos to come. See you on my next video.